Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this particular video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can design your paperback for your Amazon KDP public. The last video we did on how to design a cover for your book. This was the cover we designed, these two covers here. So we're going to be using this particular image because we're going to be continuing with it. When you want to design your cover, what you would do next is to know the number of pages on your book and also the size of your cover. For this particular cover, we used 8.5 by 11 inches for it, and then our book cover size is 8.5 by 11 inches, and our book page is we're going to be using 100 pages for this particular video. So the first thing you are going to do is to come to bookowl.com. If you come to your Google search, let's just search it here. Let's just search for bookowl.com. When you search for Bookowl, it's going to bring you to this page, something like this. For this, you're going to click on this KDP template. When you click on it, it's going to bring you here. On this particular page, you're going to type the size, this is the width, which is 8.5 by 11. You can use 6 by 9, you can use any size you feel like, but for this particular video we are using 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to input the size, which is 8.5 by 11, and the number of the page is going to be 100. Like I said, I'm going to be using 100 pages for this particular video. So we'll come down here and I'm going to input my email address because that's where they are going to be sending the templates to us. I'll click on maybe next time. Please don't click on any $2 or anything, just click on maybe next time and click on continue. When you click on continue, you're going to come down to your email address. They are going to send you a template. When they send you the template, you are going to download it, but I already have this template downloaded on my distant folder, so I don't need to download it again. So you come down to your Canva page. On your Canva page, which is you click on, let's just do it practically. The size here, the size for this particular video that we got from Bookowl is 17.475 by 11. So you come here. Mostly you are going to see your measurement as either mm or pixels, but please kindly change it to inches. Then you input the size, which is 17.457 by 11, right? So I already have the design, so I'm just going to click on this. When I click on it, I will wait for it to load. Alright guys, so the page has loaded. What we're going to do now is to go and download that template that we had for the template that we got from bookowl.com. So this is the template. I already had it before, but for this video purpose I'm going to input it again. So what I usually do is make it as my background image, but you can do it like this. You can just maybe input it manually by yourself, which is you can drag it to the edge. Always make sure that your template reach to the edge of your cover. So this is the image we are going to be using. This particular cover, this is the ebook cover. So let's download it from our uploads. I already have it. I'm going to download it like this. Make sure it's at the center. These arrows that you are seeing here, these purple lines are going to help you. Then for the previous video I used a background element, so I'm still going to be using that background element for this so that they will tally. You can decide to use any color, it doesn't matter. You can decide to use any color, just depends on what you want, you know. Okay, so let's do it like this. Let's just make sure it gets to the end. This gets to the end, this also gets to the end. Your cover too should get to the end. Please make sure everything reaches the edge. So when you're done, you can remove the template, remove this template, delete it. You can also get another shape, input the shape behind, right? so that it will replace that template that you remove, right? So if you do so, you take this to take it to the background, to the position, go back to position and take it to back, right? So you drag this again to the edge. So sometimes we don't usually notice this. If you guys can really put your eyes, you notice that this place is not completely filled up. So please be mindful of this. You drag it again so that it will complete that side. So as you guys can see, you have a completed cover. So let's say I want to maybe put this particular image on my background. Let's look for it, maybe to make it look. This is the image that we have on our front cover, so we want to use it on our back cover. What I will do now is to remove the background for this particular image. So here we have it. I'm just going to do some few editing. I can just give some filter to it and then come down under shadow and just give it like a page lift so that it will look like really like a realistic image, you know, something that's coming out from the cover. So this is it. I can decide to increase it and I can decide to decrease it anyhow I feel like. A lot of people do add like texts to their covers, to their back covers, like maybe about the author or anything. But for this particular video, we're not going to be doing that. Maybe on the next video, I'm going to do another back cover. I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to do that, and it's very easy. You can publish this on Amazon and you won't have any issues with Amazon, because it meets their standards and you're not disobeying any of their rules. Alright guys, that's it for this particular video, and I'll see you on my next one. Have a nice day.